Good evening, students. Welcome to 5th semester Zoology DSCE 1A Endocrinology and Reproduction. In this semester, I'll be dealing with modern trends in human reproduction. Let us first consider the population explosion, its meaning and causes. So you can see there is an increase in the population in India. So the current world population is 7.8 billion as on September 2020. And if you consider the current Indian population is 1383.6 million as on Friday, October 9th, 2020. Based on the Worldometer, elaboration of the latest United Nations data. So, Indian population is equivalent to 17.7% of the total world population, and it stands second in the list of countries by population. This shows 8 million billion population in 2020. And this graph clearly depicts the total population of India, which is estimated to be 131.2 million people in 2019 according to the latest census. And this bar graph depicts the total population of India, and you can see there is a drastic increase in the population when it is compared from 2010 to 2020, where it shows the increase in population. So if you consider the population of 2010, it is 1186 million people. When it is compared to that of 2019, it is 1312.2 million people. And when it has come to the 2020, as I told before, it is 1383.6 million people. So let us consider what is meant by population explosion. Population explosion refers to the rapid and dramatic rise in the world population. That means the increase in the world population. What is the reason for the increase in the world population? The increase in the world population is due to the increase in natality rate and decrease in mortality rate, and also there is an increase in the life expectancy. Why there is an increase in the natality and decrease in the mortality? So the increase in birth rate is due to the medical improvement. You know that a lot of dreadful diseases like cancer, etc. have been cured by the latest medicinal improvement, and because of the advances in the latest medicinal improvement, there is a decrease in the death rate, and there is decrease in the death rate, and due to the better medicinal facilities and advancement in the field of medicine. So a lot of dreadful diseases is cured because of the new invention in the field of medicines. So that is the reason why the population is increased in India. And why there is a population is increased in the urban areas? Because there is an immigration to better developed countries due to several reasons, like the people go in search of better job opportunities, and if there is any natural calamities like war, etc., they will go to the better places. So thereby the population in the urban areas is more compared to that of the rural areas. And what is this? The second reason is problems of capital formation. So, composition of population in India hampers the increase in capital formation. High birth rate and low expectancy of life. That means a large number of dependents in the total population. For example, if there are 5 children in a house and only one person, that is a father is working, means they all depend upon the father for all the basic necessities like food, shelter, education, etc. So in India, 35% of the population is composed of person less than 14 years of age. And of course, if they are 14 years of age, gradually, ultimately, they depend upon the parents for their basic necessities, and most of these people depend upon the other for substances, and these becomes unproductive consumers. Okay, and the productive consumers is only the head of the family. And in other countries, like foreign countries, when they reach a particular age like 20 or 18 years old, they will be moved out, thrown out from their house, so they will become independent, and they will earn their food for a earn their food and earn their money for their educations. But not in case of India, because for each and everything they will depend upon their parents. Even if they reach 35 years age, 40 years age, if the only one is the productive one, they will be depending upon them. So that is why the per capita formation is less when compared to the other countries. And also the burden of the dependent reduces the capacity of the people to save, so the rate of capital formation falls. So this is one of the reasons for the population increase. Effect of per capita income. You can see large size of population in India and its rapid rate of growth results in low per capita availability of capital. Food problem. Rapid rate of growth of population has been with the root cause of food problems. So unproductive consumers, they depend upon the parents for their food, shelter, and that is also one of the causes for the population increase. Storage of food grains hampers economic development in two ways. People do not get sufficient quantity of food due to low availability of food, which affects their health and productivity. Low productivity causes low per capita income and thus leads to poverty. Shortage of food grains obliges the underdeveloped countries to import food grains from the abroad. So large part of foreign exchange is spent on it. So the development work suffers. So the rise in the population causes food problems. Because it has to be. And another causes of the population explosion is unemployment and illiteracy. Unemployment and underdevelopment leads to poverty. Poverty leads to increase in population and also leads to lack of educational facilities. Because of poverty, and if there are more children at a house, the parent cannot give proper education and look after each and every one in the family for all their basic necessities like food, education, etc. So that is also one of the reasons for increase in the population. Problem of unemployment. Large size of population results in large army of labor force, but due to the shortage of capital resources, it becomes difficult to provide gainful employment to entire working population. So disguised unemployment in rural areas and open unemployment in urban areas are the normal features of the underdeveloped country like India.